Shop Floor Manager is a secure user group-based system using logins and passwords. It is a database enterprise automation system providing discrete manufacturers with machine tool communications, NC file management, document management, shop operations management, machine monitoring management, history management, OEE reports, performance reports, and more. Shop Floor Manager provides ISO control of all your shop documents. See our user manual for details. Another no-fluff video from Shop Floor Manager. This video depicts how Shopmonitor utilizes machine status and machine events to display machine production status at any workstation. We will be using ShopMDI to input and output all machine and non-production events, including the events that simulate CNC macro deprints. This demonstration will include 10 machines. Clicking on the buttons, Show Shop Floor Event Status and Manual Data Entry, will open the machine status window and ShopMDI application. Once ShopMDI is displayed, we will reposition it for the best viewing results. ShopMDI is normally used to enter non-production information events such as production interrupt, which is a base OEE category. The Shopmonitor program OEE breakdowns is included in this category. We will be using this in this demonstration. Looking at the Select Machine button, you will see that the machine A1620 had previously been selected. We will click this button and select 8000A for our first of 10 machines. For this demonstration we will activate a cycle for each machine. To start a cycle for machine 8000A, first click the Select Data Item button, then select the monitoring program run from the list of monitoring programs. This default monitoring program has two dprint events, start and end. These events are automatically inserted at the beginning and end of each NC program as it is downloaded. Next, we will select a Shop NC file for the machine 8000A, click on the button, select Shop NC file, which displays a list of Shop NC files for machine 8000A. Now we will highlight the Shop NC file and click on the button Choose. This selects this file and returns us to ShopMDI. As the CNC executes this program, these dprint events are output to Shopmonitor. As Shopmonitor receives these events, they are displayed in the machine status window, and also saved into the database for use in generating multiple shop reports and real-time shop charts. We will start the demonstration by starting a cycle at each of the 10 machines. Using ShopMDI will simulate the outputting of dprint events from CNCs. We have highlighted the Start icon and clicked the Submit button. This duplicates the dprint start event as output by a machine. The Run program includes two events, Start and End, which are displayed in the ShopMDI application. Looking at the machine status window, we can see that machine 8000A has started a cycle. The ShopMDI history pane has also recorded this event. We will now start the cycles in the other 9 machines. You will notice that in the machine status window the icons are changing their layout and color, indicating the current machine and production status. This is important and we will dig deeper into this later. We will now return to machine 8000A to simulate an E-breakdowns event. Clicking on the Select Machine button, we will select 8000A. Now we will click on the Select Data Item and select the data item, OEE breakdowns. From the Unplanned Break Topic drop-down list we select Equipment Failure. We highlight the Start icon and click on the Submit button. The monitoring program OEE breakdowns is one of several that are OEE classified as production loss, interrupt, etc. This OEE category is for unexpected machine interrupts. Select the machine B1620 to create an OEE bad parts event. Click the Select Data Item and select the data item OEE Bad Parts. In the Bad Parts text box, enter 1. Select Production Reject Scrap from the Reason drop-down list. Click on the Submit button. The monitoring program OEE Bad Parts is one of several that are OEE classified as quality, which is for scrapped or reworked parts. We will now return to machine EDM1A to simulate an OEE planned downtime event. Click on the Select Data Item and select the data item OEE planned downtime. From the Planned Break Topics drop-down list we select Inspect Oil System. We highlight the Start icon and click on the Submit button. The monitoring program OEE planned downtime is one of several that are OEE classified as planned stops. This OEE category is to account for production losses. Let's look at the different monitoring programs and give a brief overview of how these are used to indicate any evolving machine and production status problems, and how individual monitoring programs allow you to dig deeper when looking for problem areas. When viewing the Run program, only the machines that are actively executing the Run program and have been configured for this workstation are displayed. That is, if you were executing a non-production monitoring program independent of the Run program, it would not be displayed in the machine status window. For this reason, the pseudo monitoring program Most Recent Activity was created. This program displays all the active programs but limits its headers to only those that are common to all monitoring programs. As promised earlier, let's look at some of the displayed icons and explain what they mean. For full details, see our user manual. When viewing the Run monitoring program, a green circle indicates that this machine has started and is executing a run cycle, and is within the standard time for that cycle, including a user settable % over limit. If the green circle includes an exclamation mark, it indicates it has exceeded its standard cycle time, including the % over limit. If the green circle includes a hand, it indicates it has paused to perform an OEE-based monitoring program. You will also notice a red hexagon with an exclamation mark. This indicates the cycle has stopped and has exceeded its cumulative standard time plus the % over limit. Another icon that looks like a short pipe being measured with a red X indicates a bad part. This is the OEE category quality and indicates that the part has been scrapped or reworked. When using the Most Recent Activity program, you will notice that the green circle that included a hand has turned to a yellow triangle. All the rest of the icons remain the same. Note that the machine status window may now contain more machines than when it was executing the Run program, for reasons previously mentioned. For this demonstration we have used the ShopMDI application to enter production and non-production events, but we could have used the program OEE controller-based MDI, which is a pseudo application. As an operator downloads NC files to a machine tool, they have the option to also download OEE controller-based MDI files. These files are like NC files that are formatted with individual event sections just as ShopMDI does. This allows an operator to easily modify these files and use the controller to output OEE data. During downloading, the operator is shown a queue form with a list of these files referred to as event or RC template files. These templates are named after the appropriate monitoring programs. Each of these templates contains all of the events that the application ShopMDI can access when executing these programs. 99% of the time when operators use OEE controller-based MDI files, instead of ShopMDI, it is faster, just as accurate, and doesn't require PCs or scanners. That concludes the shop monitoring demonstration. Thank you for watching. If you need any additional information, please visit our website https://www.shopfloormanager.com, or call 781-933-9500. Another no-fluff video from ShopFloor Manager.